And wait because you don't know where we're going. So you wait, yeah? You need your partners, please? Focus. Over there.
Alright, come on through.
No touching.
Hey guys.
No touching. Gia, no touching.
She didn't hear you. I'll try not to touch.
Are we keeping an eye on you, mister?
Gia, no touching. Oh, thank you for holding the door for me.
Hey, what about me? Pay attention. Psst.
Isn't that Dwayne?
All right, everyone in and listen.
Alright, everyone listening? So, does this look familiar to anyone?
Yes.
Big brown sack with a bit of coffee on the inside. So, this is how the coffee arrives to us. We've got a team of, a couple of different people.
We have that trees.
Yeah, cool, just listening. So we've got a team of a couple of different people who spend a bit of time traveling the world. They're really lucky, but they get to visit different countries and go to origin. So, they've got connections or relationships with a lot of different producers and the places their coffee is grown. And, it's a bit of a logistical, it takes a lot of planning and figuring out how to actually get the coffee here. Because it has to be transported, it's got to ship, it's got to go through customs, there's a lot of work to actually get it here. And so they'll go over and visit, somewhere like Ethiopia, for instance, and they'll taste a lot of coffee, and it'll be, a couple of days, maybe 4 or 5 days of just drinking lots and lots of coffee, hundreds and hundreds of different types of coffee, and then they'll choose the ones that they like, and then they'll order them to ship them back. And so, what happens when you drink too much coffee, eh?
Yeah.
Get a bit jittery.
Wide eyes.
How do you guys know these things?
Wakes you up. And so you can imagine,
Running around.
yeah,
Most of the time.
wakes you up.
I've done that before.
You can imagine what would happen if you tasted hundreds of coffees in a day, eh? You'd be like pretty wired. Yeah, you've got to be careful not to have too much. So when you're tasting it, you actually don't drink it or you can't spit it out. Yeah. But so when we decide what coffees that we want, we sort of organise it all to be shipped and pay for it, and then we've got to wait for the ship to arrive. So that can be quite a few months. And so it turns up, goes through customs, and then we get to gets delivered to our storage facility. Turns up here, and then we have to roast it.
All the way up here.
Forklifts. Yeah.
I
So
think
that
you
has-
can only link up here because
Okay, then Gia, why is that over there?
They didn't fly it up there. They used the forklift.
They use the force. They go pretty hard. They go all the way.
Touching mum, okay.
Okay, so when the coffee arrives here, we roast it. And does anyone know what roasting is? Like roasting
Roasting a chicken.
chicken, yeah.
Roasting a chicken.
Yummy roast
Or
chicken.
maybe you're roasting some peanuts. Or
Hey.
what else do you roast?
Hi guys.
Iggy.
Roast fish? Yep.
Yummy roast
So,
chicken.
Enough. Enough.
What about roast potatoes?
Maybe
Um,
What?
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go through next door and we're going to have a look at the coffee roaster. So, right, so
They know a lot more about coffee than I do.
alright, the ground back over this way.
Hey, psst, move.
So, you might remember looking at in the video, just careful not to touch.
The same. That's not why we're
So
here.
everyone listening, does anyone remember in the video the green coffee? Yep, looks pretty similar, eh? Kind of looks the same. It is green coffee. So we blend up the coffee and melt it and put it in these toasts here, ready to be roasted for tomorrow. And what happens, it's a little bit like Willy Wonka's chocolate factory, because we take the beans in one of these toasts and then we dump it in here into this big hopper, and then has anyone used a vacuum cleaner before? What does it do? So this is like a big vacuum, but it's not for cleaning, it's for sucking the beans up. And so if you follow this pipe, where does it go? All the way up here. And so there's another hopper, and that holds the coffee ready to go into the roaster. So, does anyone have an oven like this at home? No. Yeah, it's a little bit big for a roast chicken, but this is what we use to roast the coffee. So the green beans go from here, just look over here, and follow that pipe all the way up into the top. And then where does it go? Goes into the drum, and that is rotating. Yeah, the whole time it's rotating. It gets to about 200 degrees, which is quite hot, eh? Hot enough to roast a chicken. And it'll spend about 12 minutes in the roaster, at which point it'll be spilled out into the tray, and then it's cooled down. So you've got to cool it down really quick after it's roasted. From there, it'll be spilt into, it goes through another vacuum, so it's spilled down here, and you can see it goes through the destoner, so anything heavier than a coffee bean will drop down, and everything that's lighter or that's the same weight as a coffee bean goes up. Pretty cool, eh? So, if we have a look, got a couple of coffee beans in here, but then you've also got one or two little stones. And these are all the things that. Well, you can't eat the coffee beans. No. We can wait for this.
Can we put the coffee beans in today? No.
Like, can we please watch it? Can we please watch it being
You
sucked
can't
up?
touch.
Can we watch it being sucked up?
No, not at the moment because it's not turned on.
Can we turn it off then? Oh no.
No, I'm not a roaster. That's, I don't know how to roast. So no, it's that sort of gives you an idea of you don't want one of those stones. You don't want one of those stones getting stuck in your coffee grinder. Okay? And you can see here's another little interesting bit. This is all of some of the stuff that's actually gone through the roasted before. Some coins. Where's this one from?
That's not real.
Indonesia. So you get coffee from Indonesia, right? This one here is. I think that's.
How do you think they fit in?
Oh, you know, because people are working over the coffee all the time, they might drop it, or you know, it might just fall into the coffee. This one's pesos, so that's a Colombian.